will present the POLC for Principle of Management from Group 7. Okay, first I will introduce myself. My name is Syed Murad Ashraf bin Syed Muhammad Nawawi, and my metric number is 202902.
Hi, my name is Shahrul Shazwan bin Ishaq. My metric number is 202666.
Hello and hi everyone. My name is Desmond Pidam Ana David. My metric number is 203873.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ishaq bin Ismail. My metric number is 202941.
Hello, my name is Nur Shaima binti Ahmad. My metric number is 202672.
Hi and hello everyone. My name is Rafifa Samuddin. My metric number is 202857.
Okay, I will continue to present. Our company, we choose a sugar bine. First of all, the background of the company. Established in 1979, they have grown from a humble ice cream parlor into an innovative food and beverage franchise restaurant brand. With monumental presence in Sarawak, they have moved into international markets successfully, such as Brunei Darussalam, Bangladesh, Australia, and Indonesia. With the new opportunity, they regenerate their menu in 2001 by launching mouth-watering ASEAN food, such as chicken mushroom soup, sambal eco fish, asam eco fish, nasi lemak, and chicken curry. Alongside their famous favorite of roasted chicken, Kano chicken, savory rice, and fish burger, their menu regeneration led to a drastic increase in sales and spending per customer, and most importantly, become a household name to the people of Sarawak. In 2006, they have launched a sugar bun as a Borneo ASEAN food in Kuala Lumpur through a fresh multi-stall concept with each stall promising specific signature. With this, they have reduced their service time and simplified operational processes. Next is a form of ownership. Franchise opportunities available for Southeast Asia and Australia. Invest in successful food and beverage brands. Invest in successful food and beverage brands as rental prices continue to rise. They rebrand their business models to compact kiosks to increase their profit and success. The next is demographic of the customer. Sugar Bun's revenue target is not too high as their stores are mostly in Sarawak and Sabah only. Their target customer are not only targeting the able-bodied but the less affluent can also buy and taste this Sugar Bun product for themselves. This is a product and services. Sugar Bun products are more or less the same as KFC, McD, and others, but Sugar Bun is much cheaper and their food price are quite worthwhile compared to the existing fast food. So this is a menu that Sugar Bun has. First is roasted chicken, hot and spicy. For ASEAN cuisine, it's a beef stew, chicken curry, chicken mushroom, eco asam fish, nasi lemak klasik, and sambal eco fish. For the plate item, 1 pieces chicken and rice, 2 pieces chicken and coleslaw, 2 pieces chicken and rice, fish and chip, chicken and fish rice, and spaghetti bolognese. Besides all product list above, there are side dish or side order for customer who want to add on, which are: first is chickies, second French fries, third is savory rice, fragrant rice, and lastly sauce, which is sambal ikan bilis, pedas, sambal ecofish, and sauce satay. Next is workforce size. The number of the employees at Cebu Jaya Sarawak store is about 12 to 14 employees. Two of them is managers and assistant managers, and the rest are counter keeper, kitchen crew, cleaner, senior staff, and junior staff. I will pass to Syed Amirul Ashraf to continue our presentation.
Okay, I will continue our presentation today. So I will talk about the planning. Okay, next. Okay, first is the objectives. So we serve Malaysian good food that is delicious and handmade through a fast food restaurant system. So the goal is to ensure that your restaurant open on time and with minimum problem. And then to ensure all product meet the halal requirement. Next. Yes. Next is the mission and vision. Okay, for the mission is set the local F&B scene alert with its contemporary move of adapting a trendy food concept. And then highlighting a line of kiosks with each offering unique dish from Borneo. So for the vision is continuously improve our concept through R&D to bring the most compact and friendliest system possible, which is suitable for environmental and ecosystem. Okay, for the Potter's 5 competitive forces. The first one is competitive rivalry. Okay, the Borneo Sugar Bun Malaysia have competed with many fast food company in Malaysia, such as KFC and McDonald's. So the most fast food restaurant already be famous and well known for their product. Okay. The second one is supplier power. This is for the food and beverage. The local product and those from neighboring countries dominate the supply of food and beverage to Malaysia. So this includes supplies to fast food business like McDonald's and KFC, which have localized in many of their food and beverage requirements. Okay, next. The number 3 is the buyer power. So many of Malaysian food service buyers are well exposed to foreign products and understand product quality based on their comparison with equivalent product. And the fourth one is the trick of substitution. So the menu diversification by food service operator is part of their strategy to attract younger urban residents to their outlet. And then the sugar bun utilize an ongoing stream of creative and successful advertising and cost-effective marketing program. This is for the new product introduction, promotion, and the point of sale material. Okay, the last one is the trade of new entry. So this company facing trade from the new entrant, such as a restaurant or coffee shop. It is because this competitor providing the similar for alternative option in terms of food selection or dining out venues. Next. Okay. This is the SWOT analysis. Okay, for the strength, this company have the strong R&D support in their continuous program to sustain sale and margin. And then it's also competitive, affordable, and value for money pricing. And then positive financial growth over the years. Participation, contribution, and dedication from shareholder. And lastly, the tremendous growth opportunity in the sugar bun franchise system. Okay, the weakness is not enough in terms of variety of their product, and also not very well known for their brand name. So the opportunity is introducing the new product and services and open more franchise for the global market. Okay, for the last one is the threats. So the threats for this company is to get the halal certificate and also get the rival from the new entrants and the strong competitors. To the next presenter.
Okay, I will continue the present. So I will talking about organizing. Next. Organizing is the process of identifying and grouping the work be performed, defining and delegating responsibility and authority, and establishing a relationship for the purpose of letting people work more effectively together in accomplishing objectives. Next. Okay, for the organizational structure approach of Sugar Bun. Basically, Sugar Bun established in 1979. The main organizational structure approach that Sugar Bun uses is function structure. However, Sugar Bun Sibujaya, which is the brand of Sugar Bun, use a flat organizational structure. The mean of flat organizational structure is attempt to disrupt the traditional top-down management system of most companies. For example, an employee who has an idea doesn't have to work through 3 levels of upper manager to get the idea to the key person making the decision. Next. Why Sugar Bun Sibujaya using the flat organization structure? There are 2 reasons why Sugar Bun Sibujaya using flat organization structure. This is because it can increase the employee level of responsibility in organization. Second is it can remove extra layer of management and improve for the coordination and speed of communication between employees. Last is it can help encourage to easier decision-making process among employees. Next. There are 3 types of organization chart by Sugar Bun. The top one is General Manager. Second is Operation Manager. The third is Finance Manager, Marketing Manager, and Personnel Manager. Next. What actually function of each position in organization chart in Sugar Bun? Next. First one is General Manager. General Manager being the backbone and plus of business. Second is reliable, trusted, and respected by employees. Third is facing the great rise of business. After that, for the operation manager, told to the chief about the operated menu and what the consumer need and just at the time. Second is ensure that equipment is always enough food. Last is calculate the need, provide sufficient food for daily menu. Next. For the finance manager, This part they need to calculate the profit and loss business. Second is provide an overview of the financial companies. And last is calculate the cost of various type of sellers to sell. For the marketing manager, they promote and introduce product. Second is determining the sale of good or product or prepare it. Last is always meet with customer and ask for their opinion about the menu that Sugar Bun set up. Last is personal manager. There is appoint security officer to maintain security in the restaurant. And last is to monitor the cleanliness of the restaurant after business hour. That's all for me. I will pass the presenter to my friend.
Okay, next, I will continue the presentation. The next one is I will talk about leading. Leading is guiding the work effort of the people in direction appropriate to action plan. Leading involve building commitment and encouraging work effort that support goal attainment. There is effective leadership that using by the company. The first one is listen to the team. The good leader should understand that they do not know everything and that they can learn something new from most junior employees. For example, in a sugar bun company, manager and employee will interact with each other to improve knowledge and skill to improve their performance. Employee in other department can ask for opinion from other employee to join develop a sugar bun company. Therefore, communication between leader and workers is crucial to improving employee and leadership relationship. The second is respectful culture. In a sugar bun company, every employee, no matter what their rank, must respect each other. If an employee fail this instruction, disciplinary action will be taken against by the defaulting employee. The employee will be warned the first time he commit an offense, and if it recused, he may be suspended or fired. If every worker is respectful to each other, this will create a discomfort among the worker. Therefore, this culture is created to ensure that every employee is not stressed and does not create a calm atmosphere in the workplace and allow performance to improve in the workplace. Okay, next. Okay, next is strategy to increase work performance. The first one is money reward. Money, as you know, can affect the performance and behavior of employee in the organization. The giving bonus and allowance to employee can motivate the employee to stay motivated. The sugar bun company will give a bonus to employee who have excellent performance in the service. In addition, the sugar bun company also provide a special attendance allowance for employees who are fully present each month. The second is give appreciation. Sugar Bun Company hold a appreciation ceremony every year to give appreciation to its employee. This ceremony aims to appreciate the hard work of employee throughout the course of their duties. In this company, each employee will be given a special treatment, and the selected outstanding employee will be given a special reward and prizes. So, with this appreciation ceremony, every employee will feel appreciated, uh, and there will be more ages to work. The third is motivational program. Highly motivated employee can produce success. The manager of the sugar bun company will coordinate the motivation program to each employee in stage. The program aims to ensure that every employee has a high confidence to achieve their goal and objective of the company. A highly motivated employee will work hard to achieve their life goal while being able to meet the organizational objective of the. Okay, I will pass to others members to
Okay,
present.
okay, I will continue the presentation. I will talk about controlling. What is controlling? Controlling can be defined as ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per plan. Next. Number one is measuring work performance. Employees of sugar buns are provided with training programs. It can help employees improve their skills and enhance their performance. And the rating employees' performance often to ensure expectations are met. Next. Number two is taking corrective action. Okay, the first point is revise objective. Objective adjust based on situation by the first line and middle line of management to take corrective. Okay, number two is revise strategy. Strategy will be adjust based on situation and by the problem that cannot be controlled. Okay, number three is revise activities. The common adjustment involve additional training and improved scheduling. Next, internal control and external control. For the internal control, in sugar band, as internal control measure the good communication in team itself, so that the work will be smooth. The manager also always communicate with employees through meeting, so that the employees can give their opinion and view. For the external control, in the sugar bun, as external control is influence competitors on their performance. For example, they always do promotion and CSR, and they also always make their product and they also always make their products more attractive to their customer than their competitors.
I'm gonna continue the presentation. For the conclusion, firstly, the significance of management functions is to plan and establish plans to achieve desired goals, to organize plans while directing employees in their roles, and also to control the plan to function as an effective manager. Next. So it is an interactive process in which managers change what they are doing according with the current situation that occurs, and it is important to bring the organization to the greater height. Planning helps in setting the performance objectives and determining what actions should be taken to achieve the desired goals. Organizing is a process of assigning tasks, allocating resources, and coordinating the activities of individuals and groups. Leading, meanwhile, refers to the process of arousing and inspiring people to fulfill plans and accomplish objectives. Lastly, controlling refers to the process of measuring work performance and taking corrective action as needed. Next. So, what are the learning outcomes through interview with Sugarban by Cebu Jaya branch? So, in Sugarban, planning helps the management workers to be aware of environmental conditions and forecast future conditions faced by the organization. Planning also helps the management workers to be aware of their competitors and their customers. Then they can decide the best courses of action for achieving that objectives. Organizing. The organization structure in Sugarban is a framework within which effort is coordinated. The management workers can design the individual jobs within the organization through organizing. For leading, Sugarban implemented social and informal sources of influence to inspire action taken by the employees. Management workers are encouraged to build healthy relationships with their subordinates to make them feel a sense of belonging in the workplace. For the control, Sugarban controls its employees by establishing performance standards and taking corrective action when necessary. It helps the management workers to take necessary actions to ensure that the work-related activities of employees are consistent and contributing toward achieving their goals. So that's all from us. Thank you.